Good morning, friends. Today I like to discuss about the simplification techniques for the digital expressions. Before going to start the simplification techniques, we have just remind that so far the topics like number system, logic gates, code, and Boolean algebra in the coding applications, sum of product and product of sum as mean term and max terms. We have read it. And these four topics are used in designing the digital circuits, and the given circuit can be simplified in order to reduce the complexity. So the simplification techniques that we consider here is three types. The first one is algebraic simplification. Second is Karnaugh maps, that is graphical method using the different blocks for the inputs. And third one is Kuno-McKenzie method. So we will discuss first algebraic simplification and next Karnaugh maps. So the algebraic simplification means the expressions are given and these expressions are used to write the sum of product form using Boolean and De Morgan's theorem, and then simplify by checking the product terms for common factors. So the general meaning of this simplification is, if then any program, suppose this is any program is coded, then the program algorithm is, there must be input, outputs, definiteness, finiteness, and effectiveness. So these are 5 requirements for a given program in terms of algorithm. And the space complexity and time complexity must be considered during the implementation of this algorithm. So suppose we have this kind of a program and taking this kind of the space. So by simplification, we have to reduce the whole program in this much a part. So there is a space complexity, that is reduce the complexity of space, that is the data covered by the program should be minimized in the given memory device. So let us take the example 1. The first example is simplify the given expression. ये expression है y is equal to a dot b plus a plus b multiply inside bracket a bar plus b bar. So the solution is write the expression in sum of product forms, that is open the bracket. Sum of the product form is open the bracket. So this one is inside the bracket, and we multiply to make the outside the bracket. So a multiply with a bar, a multiply with b, b multiply with a bar, and b multiply with b. So what we find, a multiply a bar is nothing but a bar. So a bar gives the 0, that is using AND gate, 0 1 is equal to 0. So this one is the form of a plus a bar. So this value is equal to 0. Here it is a dot b and plus b dot a. Here it is b dot b. B dot b is b square, and this is nothing but b. So by solving this one is a dot b and here it is a dot b. Both are adding, so it gives 2 A dot B. So, and there B dot A bar plus B. So 2 into A dot B is A dot B. So this is A dot B. Here it is B A bar, and this one is B. So B is taking common. B is taken common. So inside bracket, this is A plus 1. A plus 1 dot B plus A bar B. So A plus 1, this is something, A plus 1. A plus 1 is equal to 1. And similarly, A plus A bar is equal to 1. So the expression, that is B plus A bar dot B, again B taken common. So we have, this is 1 plus A bar. This 1 plus A bar is 1. So B dot 1, this is 1 dot B, yeah, B dot 1. This implies Y is equal to B. Y is equal to B. This one is the final output in the program. So what have we have this much the program complexity space, and this program complexity space is reduced into the B form. So this one is reduced, and it is the simplification. This is the algebraic simplification. So this is the first example in which we have a mathematical expression, and then we simplify. If the problem is given in the circuit form, that is digital circuit form. So digital circuit form is given as, that is, write the Boolean expression and simplify the circuit. So here it is A and B. This A and B behaves as an input of this OR gate. Here it is AB with AND gate, and this one is AC with the OR gate. And these three inputs are for the AND gate, fourth. So the output is A plus B into AB into A plus C, into A plus C. So the solution of the above logical circuit is Boolean expression for the output of the given logic circuit is written as Y is equal to A plus B dot A dot B dot A plus C. So the step 1, in order to solve, we take this step 1, that is convert into the sum of product form, that is multiplying. So we take this part first. We take this part is first, that is A plus B. So A, B multiply with A is A square B, and here A, B, C. So A square B is AB. A square is A plus A dot A, and that is A. And A plus B multiply with this factor is A square again B plus A square BC, B A into B square, and here it is AB square C. So what will happen? Again, the same, A square is equal to A, B square is equal to B. So we find that this is A square is A, and here it is B square is B. So the expression is A dot B plus ABC plus AB plus ABC. Now here it is AB and this is AB. We take common AB, so we'll find 1 plus C. 1 plus C. 1 plus C is 1. So the value is ABC plus ABC. And then ABC is common. So this one is the output. Output is AB. This is your answer. So this one is expression, and on simplify, Y is equal to nothing but AB. Y is equal to nothing but AB. So this one is what? This one is simplification. This is simplification algorithm. This is simplification algorithm. So this one is equation example 2. Now example 3 is, we consider this one is into the mean term expression. Take this example, that is mean term, that is simplify the following equation for 3 variables. which are the three variables? Y is equal to summation small m 2, 4, 6. So solution is, this is the solution. Solution is the given expression can be written in sum of product form. That is y is equal to m2 plus m4 plus m6. Now the value of m2, m4 and m6, this has to be written. So this has to be written in two ways. One, either you take from the table or you just deduce from here. Because whenever we talk about mean terms, the mean terms means highest one. So multiplication of the terms is 1. So one is, it means that is A and B. This one is 0 only here. That is, you can say 0, 1, 0. This kind of the inputs of the table. So it is this here it is 0, 1, 0 is 2, and that's why it is here. Similarly, in case of here, it is 1, 0, 0 because B bar. So this one is converted. So is this 1, 0, 0 is 4, and that's why it is M4. Here it is A, B. This is 1, 1, 0. B bar means 0. So this one is the M6. So these are the algebraic form of the given mean terms, and we have A bar, B, C bar plus A, B bar, C bar plus A, B, C. So we take here a common A and C bar. So B bar plus B inside. So B bar plus B is always 1. It is always 1 using the Boolean. So it is A bar, B, C bar plus A, C bar. So we take this C bar is common. We take C bar is common. So A bar plus B, A bar dot B plus A into C. This expression, now this is the important to understand. This one is the expression A plus A bar B. A plus A bar B can be expressed as A plus A bar, and here A plus B. A plus A bar is 1, A plus A bar is 1, so it is A plus B. So this bracket is nothing but A plus B into C. So this one is the simplified expression of the given mean term. Now, the fourth example we consider for the max term, and the max term can be expressed in the multiplicative form, and this is considered as the example 4. And this example is the simplify the following three variables logic expression. Y is equal to pi, capital M, 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 means this one is max term. It is written in max term format. So the solution of this equation 4 is the given expression can be written as this is M1 into M3 into M5. Now, how to find out the value of M1, M3, and M5? This is a problem. Again, we refer either you take the table of the three inputs max term, or you have to just memorize this max term is nothing but 0. 0 means low value in O-ring, low value in O-ring. That is A. So this one is 0. 0 means all must be 0, but here it is 1, M1. M1 is A, B, and this is, so this is 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1 is M1. Here it is 0, 1, 0, 0. This is 1, 0, 0 is M3. And here it is, this is 0. This is 0, 1, 1. This is A is 0, B bar and C bar. So it is 1, 1. Here it is M5 means this one is 0. This one is 0, 1. This one is you see, this one is 0, 0 is 1, 1, 0, 1. So this one is these are the expression for M1, M3, M5, and putting this value of M1, M3, and M5 by simplifying means converting in SOP form, that is multiply this bracket here, we find A into A bar, A into B, A into C bar, and B bar, A bar, B bar, B, and B bar, C bar. Here it is C bar, A bar, C bar, B, and C bar square. This is C bar square. So this A bar, A into A bar is 0, and B bar into B is equal to 0. So these two terms are 0. These two terms are 0. Now the remaining terms, that is A plus B plus C bar, and inside the bracket AB, here it is AC bar, B bar, A bar, that is AB bar, that is B C bar, here it is C A bar, that is CB, and this is C dot C, that this one is here. Now again, after simplifying the curly bracket, that is A dot A, here it is A C bar, and this one is A bar C. So C bar is taken out common. So A plus A bar is equal to 1. A plus A bar is equal to 1. So it is, this value is C. Here it is A bar, B bar, here it is B bar and B. This is also 1, so C bar. So here it is 1 C bar, 2 C bar, and 3 C bar. So all these C bar gives the contribution of C bar. So the remaining terms A dot B, and here it is A bar, B bar. So these are the inside the bracket. Now we have to multiply with this 3 variables with this expression. So this is A dot A square B. Here it is A bar, B bar. Here it is A C bar. Then B multiply A B is square, A bar, B, and B C bar. Here it is C, A B C bar, A bar, B bar, C bar, and C bar square. So C bar square, here it is B bar is, this gives the value 0. Here it is A bar, this value is equal to 0. So these two terms are 0. The remaining terms A bar, A square, B is AB. This term is 0. Here it is A into C. This one is AB square, means AB. So this AB square and B square is the common, and this is the one. Here it is the B C bar. Here it is A B C bar, and A bar, B bar, C bar. Here it is C square. This. So on simplifying, you see A B plus A C bar plus C bar, A B C bar, and A bar B C. This one is the expression. Now the given expression can again simplify. Here A B plus A C bar. So A B, and here it is A B bar. There is A C bar, and here it is C bar. Here it is C bar. So this C bar is taken out, the A plus 1, and this is A bar, B bar, C bar. So this is 1. So A dot A B into 1. So AB. Here it is A plus 1 is 1. So it is C bar, and here it is A bar, B bar, C. Then it's remain as it is. So again, here it is C bar is taken out. So 1 plus A bar, B bar. This gives the value 1, and AB plus C bar. So this one is the final answer of the max term expression. So these are 4 examples. First is simple expression is given. Second is the circuit is given, logical circuits. Third is the mean terms given, and fourth is max term. So in all format, we have the method to simplify using the algebraic method. But what is the disadvantage? The disadvantage of the algebraic method are, number 1, it is lengthy. It is the lengthy process and time consuming. The process is taking time. And the second and important disadvantage is the feasibility is not fully ensured because of the some Boolean sequence. Then whenever we are operating and there is some intersection and common, so it may be generation of the error code, and it will change the output value in some extent. So the mathematical process is a typical process. So in place of mathematical process, what we have to do, we have to use the graphical process. Graphical process means we have to form the blocks, something like this blocks, and then the value on the blocks is given with a certain rule, and this method is known as Carnot method. So we will discuss freshly in the Carnot method in the next term. So this is all about the today lecture for this one, and in the next video we will like to discuss about the Carnot fringes. Thank you.